Guys, I will be dictating two passages every day, one general and one legal. So subscribe to my channel for latest updates. 5 seconds. Mr. Speaker Sir, I rise to support and say something on the President's address. Shrimati Sushma Swaraj has moved the motion of President's address in this House on behalf of our party. Shri Ajit Kumar spoke in support of the motion and afterwards I heard the speeches of the leader of opposition, Shri Sharad Pawar and Shri Mohan Singh. While the speeches were going on, one member from the opposition had raised the issue of patent and Swadeshi. Today, I am compelled to take up the issue of Swadeshi because I remember when you were in the ruling party and Sardar Manmohan Singh ji was presenting the budget, I used to sit in the opposition. I remember that when Sardar Manmohan Singh ji had presented proposals, he had said that he was presenting that budget to realize the dreams of Gandhiji's India. It was said then that picture of Hindustan would altogether change within 3 years and every village of Hindustan will be that of Gandhiji's dreams. Not 3 but 8 years have elapsed and India could not become of Sardar Manmohan Singh ji's dreams. India could not be made dreams of Gandhiji's dreams. Go to the villages and see yourself what is happening in the nation of poor masses. Multinational companies have come up there. It is known to everybody. I was not here when country was celebrating the 50th anniversary of India's independence. I was listening to your leader when he was delivering speech from here that we have to fulfill the dreams of Gram Swaraj. He was talking about the charkha of father of nation Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, that India would become Reliance in this manner. At that time, it seemed to me that if Duryodhan of Dwapur era was doing Chirharan of Draupadi and Ravana of Treta era was reciting shlokas from the Vedas, during whose prime ministership, if Shri Manmohan Singh ji presented the budget and the dreams of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay ji, India was being shattered in this country and you were present here at that time, and now you talk of dreams of Swadeshi. You put question to us as to what has happened to the patent bill. When Shri Sharad ji was defense minister, he never referred to Gandhiji. Para, you please do not teach us. What does Swadeshi mean? We are not under any compulsion, but Swadeshi is in our nature. Shri Mohan Singh was talking about our government's policies and visit to Lahore. You had been a disciple of Shri Lohia ji. When Pandit Deen Dayal and Dr. Lohia used to say while delivering a speech in the Allahabad ground, used to ask as to when that day would come when a confederation of India and Pakistan would be formed. I do not agree with several things, but you were in the group of disciples of Dr. Lohia when you were working for SYS. I remember you used to say that a confederation of India and Pakistan should be formed. It was none other than BJP leader, Prime Minister Shri Vajpayee, who had realized the dream of forming a confederation of India and Pakistan. You were talking about the patent bill, whose dream it was, who thought about it. A discussion should be held on it. Today also it has been discussed, and in future also it would form part of discussions. My submission is that it would not make any difference if we or you get the Patent Act enacted. There are instances of several democratic countries when a bill was passed by a majority by the parliament, but it was scrapped subsequently when it was found that it was not in the interest of the nation. The public refused to accept it, no matter it was the government of Germany, France, or the Parliament of India. Must understand one thing, that if the 700 members have been empowered to decide destiny of this country, it does not mean that they have been given every right to enact laws as and when they want to do so, and the crores of people of this country would follow those laws blindly without raising a voice of protest. It was Shri Jagjeevan Ram who had moved the motion of emergency. Legislation was enacted. However, lack of people got themselves arrested against this draconian law. When the Janata Party government was formed, Shri Kumar was General Secretary. This act was repealed. We may pass the patent bill, but if this law is not in the larger interest of the country, then it would be ultimately altered despite our passing it without majority. The masses would come on to the streets to oppose it. Members of Parliament have got the power to determine the destiny of this country, but they cannot push the country to disaster.